So hey guys, I hope you guys are doing awesome and amazing. As you can see, I'm out here enjoying this weather here with my daughter, y'all. But I just wanted to share this awesome news with you guys. Some of you may know what I do, some of you may not know what I do. I may have spoken to some of you about it, I may have not spoken to you about it. But as you know, I am a life changer here with my company, Total Life Changes, guys. I've been with this company for over a year. And this company has awesome and amazing products that work, that has allowed me to lose 24 pounds in 2 months, guys. So I just want to share this with you all because during this time, I know it could be stressful, I know it could be scary because of what's going around, especially with this coronavirus, guys, and it's affecting a lot of, us people as a nation, you know what I mean, as far as people losing their jobs, cutting hours and things like that. And at the end of the day, you still need money to, run your family, support your family, and make sure your family is good, guys. So I come to you today with this opportunity to let you know that my company is now waiving the fee to get started, guys. Usually it's $50 to get started. Now my CEO, Mr. Jack Fallon, has waived that fee, so you no longer have to pay $50 to get started until Thursday night. After Thursday, this promotion will be over. When you get started, you get your free website. You get samples that you can share out to other people, and your daily pay will be activated. Yes, I said daily pay. We get paid daily here with this company. This is why he chose to do that, because he knows people need money now. People don't want to wait. So once you get started with TLC, you sell some NutriBurst today, you get the money tomorrow, guys. Don't let it go over your head. Once you message me back and get started, I'll plug you into everything that you need to know. But I feel like this is a time to really take this seriously, y'all, because we don't know how long we are supposed to be on lockdown, or everything's supposed to be closing and shutting down. So I really encourage you to just analyze your situation. You know what I mean? If you could use an extra $100 a day or $100 a week, how would that help you guys? Any little thing could help. So I'm just doing my job, which is sharing the news with you, because I don't know, maybe it could help you. I don't want this to blow over or pass by and something happens and I didn't reach out to as many people as possible. So if you know me, if you don't know me, feel free to message me back, and let's talk. You know what I mean? Like I said, this is over Thursday night. Of course, after Thursday, you can still get started with TLC. I'm telling you, this is truly the place to be. But after Thursday, it will be $50 to start up. So it'll be $50, $49.95, plus a product of your choice. Right now, it's just a product of your choice, and no $49.95. Okay, guys. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope you guys, take advantage of this opportunity, guys. Because remember, when there's an opposition, there's always an opportunity, guys. Do not let this distract you. Do not let this put fear in your heart. You know what I mean? This is a time for a lot of people to grow and, do some just personal development. You know what I mean? So send me a message if you're ready to get started. Let's work, guys. Be safe, be happy, and be blessed.